Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Shama, Manager People Solution at Kadel Labs, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to an exciting session in our Expert Insight series, the KL Tech Talk. At Kadel Labs, we are committed to sharing knowledge that drives innovation and transformation. Through this series, we bring insightful discussion from industry leaders to empower professionals like you with the tools and understanding needed to stay ahead in an ever evolving landscape. Let me briefly introduce who we are. KD Labs is a first of its kind venture studio in India, a global software technology incubator with a synergistic blend of IT services and SaaS products. Since 2017, we've grown organically to 180 plus employees, served 200 plus customers worldwide, and built a global presence with operations across multiple regions. Our expertise spans across diverse industries such as fintech, healthtech, edtech, re- retail, insurtech, manufacturing, and telecom. We specialize in delivering innovative solutions in cloud engineering, data analytics, software development, and AI services. At Cadence, we pride ourselves on being a people centric organization, encouraging creativity, free flowing communication, and continuous innovation to deliver impactful products and services to our clients. Today's session is a part of our ongoing effort to address pressing challenges and explore transformative solutions. We are thrilled to introduce the topic AI enhanced customer support in digital banking. The banking industry is witnessing a profound transformation with AI driving personalization, automation, and innovative customer interactions. We are proud to have Rajneesh, a valued member of our Kadal Labs family, as today's speaker. Rajneesh will guide us through the fascinating journey of AI's role in digital banking and its potential to redefine customer support. Quick note to the participants. We encourage you to actively participate by dropping your questions in the chat or the Q&A section. We'll address them during the interactive segment at the end of the session. Once again, thank you for joining us today. Let's dive right in and explore the transformative world of AI in digital banking with Rajneesh. Over to you, Rajneesh.
Okay, thanks Shama for the brief introduction. And hi everyone, good evening. So I will introduce myself in front of you, all of you guys. I am Rajneesh, working at Kadel Labs as a technical support person. And it is a pleasure to connect with all of you today for this webinar on AI enhanced chat customer support system in digital banking. We'll be diving into the existing and transforming trend of the banking industry. This is a growing role of AI-based chatbots and virtual assistants. So this is an cutting-edge technology are fundamentally changing the way of how banking are interacting with their customers. Around 80% of the banks has opted this technology of chatbots as a AI chatbot and virtual assistants. So the role of AI in digital banking. So in this era of technology, as we know, AI has revolutionized the customer support in digital banking and enhancing the speed, personalization, and accessibility. Core application line includes like chatbots, virtual assistant, which can do the fraud detection as well, and predictive analytics. So why do we need the AI in the digital banking? As we know, the banking industry is really a vast industry and serving around billions of peoples, and everyone has a bank accounts, right? So they have to serve the customers like in a big number. So it is very difficult to manage a help desk team of various agents of multi languages. So here the AI comes to the picture. Increasing customer expectation for 24/7, 24/7 support. Like it is difficult to get the solution in the odd hours. So at that time, we can rely on the AI based chatbot system. They are available in the not in the business hours, but they are also available in the odd hours also. So need for personalized and efficient customer experiences, right? Transaction volume demand scalable solution. So we can scale up also, right? Let's suppose if we talk about fraud detection, a single customer support agent can't monitor each and every customer, like who is trying to do the fraud or trying to make tax on different kinds of login and phishing, like this kind of activities. So AI can detect that also, that at this point, this person is trying to get the things done. So we'll go further. AI power features and digital banking. We all know that we are interacting with the chatbots and the virtual assistant, not in the banking sector, but in different domain also. If you are using Zomato and Swiggy also, they also have the chatbots like virtual based chatbots, they also have that. So what the virtual assistant and chatbots can do, they can handle the routine queries like a simple basic queries for balance inquiries, status. These kind of queries can easily handled by the virtual assistant and the chatbots. They can give you the solution at on your fingertip, like in the point of seconds. And they offer the instant resolution and reduce wait time. We don't have to wait in the queue that first the executive will get the time, then will specifically will get that window. So we don't have to wait up to that time. Personalized recommendation, AI can help us in the personalized recommendation also, analyzing customer behavior for tailored product offers. Let's suppose AI can monitor our financial habits, like how we are spending our hard-earned money. So they can suggest us the good products, what their bank are providing to us. They can improve cross-selling and the upselling opportunities also. If we talk about the banking sector, around if we talk about the Erica Bank of America, they are using Erica as a virtual assistant. If we talk about the HDFC, they are using EVA. If we talk about the SBI, they are using, we also have used that, right? EVA by the HDFC Bank, that is electronic virtual assistant, which can, according to their report, it can handle up to 50,000 bank related queries every day. So it's a huge number, right? If any index agent is doing that, then you know how much availability we require for this kind of number, right? So AI, as we already talked about the future fraud detections, right? The real-time monitoring and the alert for unusual activities. If any unusual activity is happening at anywhere, so we can get a alert, or in the system we can get that alert that these kind of unusual activities are happening at there. So bank will know that who is doing that. AI model can identify and mitigate the threat efficiently more than a help desk agent. Smart onboarding, right? We can do the KYC process. If we are going to the bank and we are waiting for to opening account, so it will be a long process. First, we need to sign every document, then we have to wait in the queues as well if there is a huge amount of people going for the account opening. So if we streamline this process with the help of AI, then it will be like in a minutes, right? I hope most of you guys have used that facility also in many banks. Sentiment analysis, yes, this is the difficult for, I guess it is for difficult for AI. AI detects customer satisfaction level and provides insight for improvement. Now we go for, now we'll talk about the pros and cons of the AI based model. First, we'll talk about the availability. As we already told, they are available for 24 into 7. In the odd hours also, we can get the things done by the round the clock, and which enhancing the accessibility to getting the knowledge of our bank related queries like our transaction status, like our what the amount right now. So these kind of thing can be done simply by using the AI powered system. Scalability, yes, we can scale up the things efficiently, handling the high volume of customer inquiries simultaneously. Cost efficiency is also there. Let's suppose we have introduced the AI model, then we don't need a bigger team of help desk agents, right? So that's reduce in the need of large customer support team, cutting of optional cost. So this is also good for us. Then personalized services, leveraging customer data to offer tailored solution recommendation. So by the help of the AI model, we can monitor the spending habits of our customers so that we can recommend them good products. If they we can know that what kind of credit card they will require for the future transactions. Faster resolution. Yeah, AI is really faster. And I guess in the last week also O3 model is also released of AI. And at the low time, their efficiency rate will be 77%. And at the high time, that will be around 87 to 88%. So it's a really high number from O1 model of AI. Then insights and analytics, AI provide valuable insight into customer behavior and preferences. So now we'll talk about the challenges and limitations of AI model. Lack of human touch. Sometimes we want to talk to a customer service customer care executive only. We don't want sometimes the emotionally sensitive queries like if there is any fraud happen with any customer like of huge amount, then at that time we don't want any AI because AI will can't the emotions and what's the case exactly. For that we need a big for this. AI ML will be required. Dependencies on data, right? Our data can be so AI module is integrated, so data will be exposed to that, and that's a really a big dangerous for us also. Require large data set for training. Biased or incomplete data can lead to errors. Security concerns also there. Strong customer data because our data is exposed to the AI based models, and then AI processing may expose the bank to cyber security threats also. Customer resistance. Some customer prefer interacting with human only, as we talked about already. Particularly for critical issues, like some issues can't be handled by the AI model. So at that time, we require the human touch. So if we talk about the exactly AI model, that is for initial level queries, right now, as the AI perspective, they can handle the queries. But if we need them for L2 and L3 tickets, at that time we need a human agent. I guess in the future that will be done by the AI only. High initial investment. Yes, initial investment will be there. Like I told you that O3 layer. For it's low, it will be around charging $100. But if it is the height, then it will be around minimum $1,000. Developing and integrating AI system is not cheaper, it's expensive. Limited scope. AI cannot always interpret non-customer like issues or unique scenarios. We have a database that is integrated with the AI system. If that kind of question is present there, then AI can fetch that data and give the solution. But what happen if the unique query will come? Yes, second time then AI can give the answer. But at the first time when the unique query is coming, and at that time AI will be like might be biased at the time. Risk of over automation. In this era, we are doing the automation in every part, like in our software development life cycle also, we are using DevOps technologies to automate our tasks. In the AI model also, this is for automation. But over reliance on the AI may degrade the quality of personalized customer care. If we are not getting the proper solution from a bank, then their image will go down. So this is not good for the business perspective also. Any question or anyone wants to express their info on AI, it's really a welcome for them. Please, or we can go further.
I think Rajneesh, we can keep it to the last session. We can complete the webinar.
Okay, sure. Done.
Sure. Yeah.
So, future of AI and digital banking. So, right now we know the AI is not 100% accurate because it can't handle the multiple languages. So, for that, we have to wait for or 2, 3, 5 years. Hyper personalization, like a deeper insight into customer needs using AI ML. As we talked about, like we have a database, right? That what kind of queries are coming, it will be fed in that database, and accordingly, AI will give the solution. But what if the query is coming for the first time? At that time, it will be very difficult for the AI to get the things done and give the proper and accurate solution. So at that time, AI can be little bit biased. Predictive banking, offering proactive suggestion for financial decisions. Voice and emotion recognition, like AI assistant that understand emotion for better support. If in the future AI will understand the emotions by the tone and the pitch of voice, like what's a customer is exactly feeling right now, so they can drive them to the solution in the better way. Blockchain integration, like blockchain integration is really good for the security purpose also for AI driven banking. So this is the last we can conclude these things, like we are at the conclusion. AI is a transforming customer support in digital banking, offering a unmatched speed, scalability, and personalization. However, balancing automation with human intervention remain crucial for building trust and addressing complex concerns. Moving forward, AI will continue to redefine how banks interact with the and serve their customers. So for this, I want to give the thanks to Mohammed Mohsin for giving me the guidance and assisting me to creating the this PPT and insight of on AI-based chatbot models. Yes, Shama, we can go for the Q&A and the discussion.
Sure, sure, Rajneesh. And thank you for an impactful session. It is indeed very informative. And we have two questions from well-known colleges from Rajasthan. Just give me a second. I'm reading out for you. So we have one question from one of our students who have joined the session. So the question is, what skills should students learn if they want to work on AI in banking as a student perspective?
As a student perspective, we can say if they want to dive into the AI, then there are many fields in the AI right now. If we know that prompt engineering is really at the hype, they can go for that. And AI ML is also there. I guess around from the next year, it will be around 30% hike on that also. They can pursue the AI ML courses that are really good in the market also. AI and the machine learning, they can go for that.
Great. All right. And we have one more question from another student who has attended this webinar.
If they want to, for customer support,
Yes, Rajnish.
if they want to create a chatbot on their, let's suppose on their local machine, they can do that by, they can direct them to the tutorials and they can get the help from them. They will know that how they can build a small chatbot on their local system. They can integrate the
Perfect.
APIs also.
All right, Rajnish. So we have one more question from one of our
Yes.
professionals. So they are asking what advancements we can foresee in AI for predictive banking and proactive financial suggestions.
Can you please repeat? Pardon me.
They're asking what are the advancements that you see, that you foresee in AI predictive banking and also in proactive financial suggestions.
Yes, as we talked about in our one of our slide, like future of AI in digital banking, right? That in the future we can have a multiple language support. Like India is only India, there are so many languages. So we can assist every user like with the multi languages. And then let's suppose a person is facing a issue with the if the person is a victim of any cyber attack regarding the bank. So at the time AI can't really help them. But in future we can predict that AI will be able to help these kind of customers also. Like they can detect the emotions that what the person is right now facing, and they can give the solution accordingly.
All
Because
right.
as we know that banking industry is spending around 13.2 billion in 20 in this year 2024. Similarly, like fintech startups Setu, Advarisk, Velocity, and Gen AI are assisting bank with that to AI-led innovation like fraud detection and data analysis.
Thank you for addressing the questions of the students and our professionals who have joined the session today. And we have come to the end of this session. We thank you, Rajneesh, for such an
So I've
impactful session.